Let's be real, we are connected all the time to our phones, our computers, everything. But have you ever stopped to think about the actual structures that make all of that possible? Today, we're going to peel back the curtain on the networks that run our digital lives, starting right inside our own homes and zooming all the way out to the entire globe. Seriously, think about it for a second. You can flick a video from your phone over to your smart TV in an instant. Your laptop, maybe it's upstairs, can print a document to a wireless printer downstairs. How do all these gadgets in your own little bubble talk to each other so effortlessly? And then, how does that bubble connect to, well, everyone and everything else? Well, the answer actually begins right where you are. The very first piece of the puzzle isn't some far-off server or a satellite in space. Nope, it's the network buzzing away inside your own four walls. This is your personal digital command center. So, what do we call this digital room? It's not just a vague concept. In the tech world, it's got a proper name, the Local Area Network, or, as you've probably heard it, the LAN. Let's dig into what that actually is. A LAN is, well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's local. It's a private little web designed for a small, contained area. You can think of it like all your favorite tech living in one room, all able to chat and share with each other directly, no middleman needed. So what really makes a LAN a LAN? Okay, first, its scope is tiny. We're talking your house, maybe one floor of an office building. Second, it's super fast, mainly because the data doesn't have far to go. And third, and this is a big one, you own it. It's your network. You control the Wi-Fi password. The whole point is just to let your personal devices share stuff, like files or that wireless printer, super easily. Okay, so we've got our local network down, our digital room. But you know, a single room isn't much fun if you can never leave it. How do all of our individual LANs, our homes, our workplaces, talk to each other from across town or even across the ocean? For that, you're going to need some digital highways. And that is where the Wide Area Network, the WAN, comes into play. If your LAN is your cozy private room, a WAN is the sprawling, massive system of roads connecting all the different rooms and all the different buildings all over the world. Its entire job is to bridge the huge distances between all those separate local networks. And the scale we're talking about here is just mind-boggling. We're talking about a network that can stretch across entire continents. It relies on some seriously heavy-duty infrastructure, like huge fiber optic cables running under the ocean and satellites zipping around the planet, all just to link our little local networks into one giant global conversation. This comparison chart just lays it all out perfectly, doesn't it? A LAN, small area like your house. A WAN, huge area like the entire world. Your LAN is private, you own it. A WAN can be public or privately owned. But here's the real key difference. A LAN connects your personal devices together. A WAN connects your entire land to thousands of other LANs. The best examples? Your home Wi-Fi is your LAN, and the internet? That's the ultimate WAN. You know, that last example is the real aha moment, right? We've been talking about WANs as these big, abstract digital highways. But there's one that every single one of us uses every single day. It is, without a doubt, the ultimate global city of connected networks. I have a feeling you already know the answer. Come on, what is the single biggest, most complex, most interconnected wide area network that humanity has ever built? And there it is. Yep, the internet. It's not some magic cloud floating in the sky. It's just the biggest WAN there is, a massive, sprawling network of networks that links billions of private LANs, just like yours, from all corners of the globe. It's literally what you're using to hear my voice right now. So let's boil it all down. The LAN is your digital home. It connects your personal stuff. The WAN is the global highway system. It connects all of our homes together to form one world. Simple, right? Those two ideas are the bedrock of our modern connected lives. It really makes you stop and think, though. What kind of network are we going to